Welcome. If you've been missing call notifications on X app and want to make sure you never skip an important call again, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn on incoming call notifications for X app on your Android device. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where you control all your device preferences, including app permissions and notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone. It might be called Apps and Notifications or just Apps, depending on your phone's version, but the steps are essentially the same. Next, from the list of apps, find X app and tap on it. This will open the app's settings page, where you can manage its permissions, storage use, and, most importantly, its notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the ways X app can alert you, from messages to calls. To be more precise, we need to drill down a little further, so tap on Notification Categories. Inside this section, look for the option labeled Incoming Calls. If the switch next to it is off, that's why you haven't been getting call alerts. Simply toggle it on. That's it. You've turned on incoming call notifications for X app. From now on, whenever someone tries to call you through the app, you'll get the notification instantly, just like a regular phone call. If you want to make sure you never miss these alerts, you can also check that your phone's Do Not Disturb mode is disabled during the times you expect calls. Additionally, ensure battery optimization for X app isn't restricting background activity, as that could silence notifications. Now you're all set. With these settings enabled, you can enjoy uninterrupted communication and peace of mind knowing you won't miss any important calls on X app. If you like, I can also optimize this script with a natural conversational flow and punchy hooks, so it keeps viewers engaged right from the start.